In today's video, we shall start a series on amazing benefits of fruits and start from pomegranate. We hope you'll like and support us as we explore their delicious and healthy potentials. So, pomegranate is a gem of a fruit. It isn't just delicious, but packed with benefits from its juicy seeds to its vibrant rind. Studies suggest that pomegranate juice may do wonders for your heart by lowering bad cholesterol and blood pressure while raising good cholesterol. Plus, it can be a brain power booster, sharpening your memory and keeping you mentally sharp. Feeling tired or sore after the gym? Pomegranate juice might be your new best friend, thanks to its muscle-soothing properties. And that's not all. Pomegranate's antioxidant power can help your skin glow from the inside out, keeping it healthy and radiant. Feeling under the weather? Pomegranate juice can give your immune system a kickstart, helping you fight off those pesky bugs. In short, this fruit is amazing for boosting your immune system, brain health, and exercise recovery. Remember, though, that a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are always key. Before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have any health concern, consult your doctor.